Hi everyone, this is Raju from BV Raju Institute of Technology. So in this video, we are going to learn about border layout in AWT through Java programming language. So let us understand what is border layout and what is AWT. So to understand about border layout, we need to understand about AWT. So what is AWT? AWT is represents the abstract window toolkit, which is an API to develop graphical user interface or window-based applications in Java. So it develops the graphical user interface. So Java AWT components are platform independent because the components are displayed according to the view of the operating system, so which is being dependent on the operating system. AWT package depends on the operating system because it's a heavy weighted one, and it uses the operating system to access this AWT package. So AWT is a platform dependent package, and the Java programming language is a platform independent language, and this is language and this is AWT package. So package is dependent. So its components are using the resources of underlying operating system. So in Java, the Java AWT package provides classes from AWT APIs such as text field, label, text area, checkbox, choice, list, etc. So finally, AWT helps in implementing the graphical interfaces in the program. So it uses very, it plays an important role in doing the frameworks and graphical uses in the programming language. So let us understand what is layouts. Layouts are the frameworks which have been layout many components in a frame. So we use layout manager to present the components in a different areas and in different sizes. So Java layout manager facilitates us to control the positioning and size of the components in GUI form. So uh, layout manager is an interface that is implemented by all the classes of layout manager. So here it's a short, small example of what is layout. So we do the framework using this layout. So these four boxes are being managed in the sizes and in the spaces using the layout manager. Means it has a rectangular shape with a defined size. So these are being managed using the layout manager. So we have different types of layouts like grid layout, border layout, border layout, group layout, spring layout, etc. We have different types of layouts. So today we are going to learn about border layout. What is border layout and how it is being used and how it is being developed. So border layout is used to arrange the components in a five regions, that is north, south, east, west, and center, which have been bordered. The name border is just come because the layouts or the components have been specified in the borders of that framework. So that's why we call it as border layout. And each region may contain one component only. It is the default layout of the framework or window. So the five components are been uh, implemented using this five, which has been represented here. So for this, we use the component border layout or component or this constructor, which is border layout to create the border, to create the framework, and to represent the size in it using the parameters h gap and v gap. H gap is horizontal gap and v gap is vertical gap. So to have the distance between one component to other, we use this h gap and v gap. So it creates the horizontal and vertical gaps between the components. So this is about the border layout. So let us implement the program for this border layout using Java program. through command prompt. So let us open the program. So first give the file name which has been imported. So my file name was mainframe. Uh, mainframe.java to call the. So this is the program we have been imported. So here the packages imported are AWT and AW event and Sphinx. AWT event is nothing but the events, the actions of the mouse. That means the clicking action and closing actions of the mouse is known is has been imported in this AWT event. So here the class that has been user class which has been defined is a border layout demo extends JFrame, and the class and the method is border layout demo, which is being called can be called as constructor also. So here to call all the components required for the program has been called by an object. So we need to create an object, and the object is JPanel PA. PA is an object. Using JPanel we method we created the PA object. So through this object, uh, we just call for the new border layout. So to create the border layout, we just call the new border layout. So in this, we add new J button. J button is nothing but the framework component. It's a component in a rectangular shape which has been imported with a string welcome. So it is in the direction of north. So all the information of a component is being declared here. So in the same way, we have five components: north, south, east, west, and center. So the five are being declared using the object and added using the object. And after finishing all the components, calling of the all the components, we just add the POM object which refers to the JPanel, which is main method of the object. So then the function for closing the operation and opening the operation is done with the set default close operation, that is jframe dot exit on close. So the size of the frame is being declared, that is 300 and 300 set visible. Here this is used to visible the framework that has been created. If we keep false here, then we cannot see we can execute the program, but we cannot see the framework which has been created. So here is a main class called mainframe. So here we call the constructor border layout demo. So this is the program of the border layout. So let us execute this program. So command to execute the program is javac, JAVAC, javac space file name dot java. So it has been executed to visible. So to see that executed result or output, we have the command of java space file name. File name is mainframe. Enter. So here is the output we got. So this is the output we got, maximizing this. So this is the border layout which has been created to the program that we have been learned now. So every component has been bordered at the borders. So that's why we call it as border layouts. So this is the video of all about border layout. Thank you for giving this opportunity, and Thank you for seeing this video. Uh, Encourage me and subscribe me uh, to develop my skills and to share many things about the programming language. Through learning I can do this. So if any mistakes are there, you can just comment on the videos. Thank you.